Wednesday morning, 6:36 a.m. I just finished editing the vlog, which is part of a really big trend that I've been creating for myself of habits in the morning. So every morning when I wake up, I do the Wordle, the Worldle, the Nerdle, the Dunglian, Semantle. I do my Duolingo, I edit a vlog, I back up all my photos and videos from the previous day. And the fact that I do all of this every day kind of blows my mind. There's this thing called a habit cascade where you get better over time just by making these small little habit improvements. And so I love my new morning routine. It just requires me to wake up at like 5 a.m. This weekend, I'm gonna clean this entire bookshelf. Let's keep the open cup in the kitchen though, okay? I know, but you're still spilling. Once you stop spilling, then we can have the open cups in here. And when Alex is not awake. It's definitely gonna come out. We're having a wonderful breakfast of bread, oranges, and Alex had a tub too, and some toast. Are you enjoying your breakfast? Daniel made a bit of a mess, and so he had to grab the vacuum and clean. But now everything looks great, Daniel. Thank you.
But I still need to clean up all the iron dusty
Everything looks great, Daniel. Thank you.
But I still need to clean up all the iron dusty
What? Those aren't words. I don't understand. Okay, so you're not saying words.
And they're all sleeping in there.
Wow, holy moly, that looks so cool. That's awesome. I love that. And all the animals are sleeping. That's so cute. Very, very nice job, everybody. Good job, everybody. Did you help, Alex? Yeah? Okay, good. All right, Daniel, what are we training today?
I will need this here.
What are we doing? Are we doing push-ups first?
No, we're doing some push-ups.
Okay, come here and show me.
Push-ups are these.
So wait, so I bend my legs, and I put my arms like this, back and forth.
Now I do some pucka-pucks.
Okay, what are pucka-pucks?
Pucka-pucks are these.
So we gotta go, so one arm swings back and forth like this.
And one goes front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back.
Okay, then what?
Now some
So that was pucka-pucks.
pucka-pucks.
What about squats? Do you know how to do a squat?
No.
You could probably do a squat. Here, stay here. Alex knows how to do squats. Alex, come here, finger. I'm gonna show Alex the squat. Okay, so stand here. Okay, ready? Down. And up. Can you go down?
Put
Yeah.
the trainer up.
We already did that one.
Then
Whoa, that's even crazy. Okay, so you gotta kick legs up and arms up like this.
Yeah, that's it. That's all that you need to do. That's enough.
That's all?
Enough. That's all. And that's how you push them on.
What do you want, Daniel?
Candy.
Oh.
A usted no le gustaba el candy, usted sabe.
We would try and feed you candy and you were like, no, thank you.
I tried giving you cake one
All
time
done.
and you were like, oh. Yeah.
Which one time in California?
Yeah.
Where?
Daniel invented something. We're gonna show you. All right, Daniel. What did you invent? Show us all.
I love you, sweetie pie. You're grandma.
Am I a sweetie pie?
Yeah.
Do I look like Granddad? Why are you looking at your ear?